All right, in Idaho is Lewis. Hi, Lewis. How are you?
Good. How are you?
Better than I deserve. What's up?
Hey, I got a real simple question. My wife and I are fairly new to the program, but I had some family the other day talking about how foolish it was not to have a credit card, because then if we'd ever want to buy a house or something, take out a mortgage, that we would have no credit.
Yeah.
And I remember I've heard you talk about it before. I just want to be able to explain to them that they say it's impossible to take out a mortgage without a credit score.
Well, that's just somebody that doesn't know what they're talking about. I'm sure they're broke people, but they're in your family. We all got people like that in our family that are experts on something that they don't know nothing about. Yeah. So if you go to Churchill Mortgage or other mortgage brokers that actually know how to do what's called manual underwriting, where they don't require a credit score, but they do require that they verify your job and they verify your down payment is in the actual bank, and they do what's manually underwritten instead of just depending on the credit score to give you the loan. Then you can get a mortgage loan at no extra charge, no extra thing at all, no problems at all, except it's a little bit more hassle to do manual underwriting. And so it's done every day. Churchill's done it for years. We've told people to do this for years. They do it all the time. If you're self-employed, you have to have 2 years of tax returns. And if you're self-employed, you can't get an FHA loan now. Or so there's some of these loans they just won't write them. But other than that, it's a very normal process. It's kind of how mortgages used to be done before the FICO score. Like when I got my real estate license in the 70s, it's how we used to do mortgages. You actually had to go in and prove you had an income and a job, and you had to prove, that you paid your bills on time. They pulled a copy of your credit bureau and looked at your past, even if there was no credit score. There's stuff on your credit bureau from your past. But if you have no open accounts for 6 months to a year, no open accounts with no balances of any kind, then eventually you're going to have no credit score, which is what I have. I hadn't had a credit score in 20 years. Mine is 0. And it's working out for me pretty good. This is the Dave Ramsey Show.
Hey, you guys, Rachel Cruz here. Hope you're enjoying the Dave Ramsey Show. And did you know that I have my very own YouTube channel? Yes, that's right. It's kind of better than the Dave Ramsey channel. Don't tell them I said that. I'm kidding. So subscribe, and there's lots of videos about life and money. So while you're at it, if you want to check out a video, then you can check out how to do a monthly budget. It's one of the best videos out there.